We can also calculate the difference between two sets. So let's create other sets here. Let's say we have our two sets here. So it is set A and set B. Okay. So the difference will return all elements of set A that are not in set B, or elements of set A which are not in set B. Now, how can we do this? We just write diff, let's say equals to set A, okay, dot difference, okay, so the difference of set B. Now if we print, and let's say what we're going to have, so we are going to have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So returns all the elements which are not in set B, as we can see here. Now let's try it for set B. Let's say set B here, and capital B here, and let's say set A here. And if we print this, so we are going to have, that means it returns all the elements which are in set B and not in set A. Okay, there is a second method which is called symmetric difference. So here we can add symmetric underscore difference, and if we print this here, so we are going to have this one. Symmetric difference will return all elements that are in set A and set B but not in both sets. Okay, we can try the same thing to set B, set A here, and let's put set B here. So if we save this, and if we're going to print it here, we are going to have, so returns all the elements which are in set A and set B but not in both sets. For example, here we have 1, 2 and 3 which are in both sets. Okay,